How to use your own mockups in Mydesigns PSD. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be talking about how you can use your very own mockups to actually, show up in your listings in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So, Mydesigns, if you did not know, is a pretty incredible software that allows you to start print on demand for different platforms that you can essentially work on, and you can actually create mockups for yourself in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So mainly that is what people use My Designs for because it, creates a whole bulk of mockups, and you can through that bulk of mockups you can start your print on demand business. So to obviously add in your mockups, people go over to listing, and once they go over to listing, they upload a type of design. So once you upload a type of design, as you can see, I have my designs over here. And once you upload a type of design, you're going to go into mockup and you're going to go into create image mockup. So what it does from there is it takes the images that you've added and it creates mockup just like these. Now these look pretty great, right? These look pretty nice, and you can get different variations of it. So obviously there's your main file, which is this file over here. And then there's the other file that I've added. And you can obviously create mockups for two different designs really simply. So let's say I have this. I'm going to simply just delete that quick. I'm going to keep this design. And, once we have this design over here, you're going to create mockups for this design. I'm just going to choose this one design over here. There we go. And now we're going to go on mockups and we're going to click on create image mockup. Now once you do that, look at that. So it starts creating mockups of the other design that I have as well. So this is the general idea of how you're going to create mockups out of, designs that you have. Now, this is how you're going to create mockups out of designs that you have. How will you actually go ahead and, add your very own mockups? Because this is to generate mockups out of, ulterior designs. So to add your own mockups, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to assets, okay? And once you come over to assets, you're going to go over to mockups over here. So once you come over to mockups, obviously you will need to upgrade to the pro plan for this. But if you have the pro plan over here, they're going to give you the options to add in your very own assets that you want to work with. And obviously you're going to add your own mockups over here. And adding your mockups is a piece of cake because you're simply going to need to choose one button, which is obviously a upload media type of button. And you're going to upload all the mockup images that you have. You can upload all the mockup designs that you have. It's really simple. You can also simply go to links, go into your product catalog, and this basically brings you into my design section where you can create your very own mockups for yourself. So let's say we have this men's clothing over here. Let's go into sweatshirts. And once you go into sweatshirts, you're going to choose any sweatshirt. So let's say I'm going to go with this. And once you go with this, you're going to choose the colors that you want to go with. So I'm going to go with these print providers. And I think, yeah, we're good with this. So once you've chosen this product, what you can simply do is you can go ahead and use this product's print providers and yeah, finally create whatever you want with this product. And you can variate it and differentiate it for its shipping and product variation costs as well. And once you've done all of this, you're simply going to click on go to app and you should be good to go. So that's also another way you can add your very own mockups in the simplest way. And moving on, there's again, as I told you, the mockup edition from your assets. And obviously you are going to want to make sure to have the upper account, because if you don't have the pro account or the pro plan, then this one won't really work for you. So do make sure to get the pro plan, which you can get from the billing section. So once you come over to the billing section, you can find its pricings over here, or you can simply go over to my designs. Okay, and I'm just gonna go to my designs pricing. Here we go. I'm gonna open that up, and you're going to come to pricing, Mydesigns.io. And once you do that, here you can see. So first of all, you have the free plan, which we're currently on. You have the pro plan, which is $22.99, and then there's the pro plus. So the pro plan, which is $22.99, gives us 100 gigabytes of cloud storage, 600 credits, 48 bulk processing, edit data in bulk is available. You have multi-product publishing, which is obviously to add your own things. Then there's custom mockups, so you can upload your own PSD files with smart objects, as I told you. So you can use this with your pro plan only, and as I said, all you're going to do is you're going to come over to your assets, go over to your mockups, and you can upload your own PSD files, as I mentioned previously. So you can do that in the free plans, upload your own PSD files with smart objects, but you can do that in Pro and Pro Plus, as you can clearly see. So obviously, subscribe with the upper plans and you should be good to go. And adding files with a PSD is a piece of cake, okay? You're gonna get a PSD file for your mockup, okay? And if you don't know how to create it, you can just convert it using FreePick. And once you get a mockup PSD file, just simply go ahead and upload it into this mockup section, and that's going to create the mockup for you. But moreover, if you don't really want to go ahead and do that, you can just add your own mockup by going into listings, which I showed you. You're going to add your very own art again by going on upload. And once you add your own art, from there, simply go ahead into mockups. Now, you can also create video mockups, by the way, which I forgot to mention, but an image mockup is generally an overall better look. So you can see this is what you get. It looks pretty nice, looks pretty cool, right? So you can go ahead and stay with this, or you can actually mess around with any other type of design portfolio that you have in this section. So yeah, that's the general idea of how we're going to add or create our very own mockup in Mydesigns. And obviously, as I stated before, adding a PSD is a piece of cake. You're simply going to go to assets and add it, but you will need the higher plans for it. You can do this on the basic plan, okay, or the free plan that you currently see on your screen. This is the free plan, and obviously, because of this free plan, I have the limitation to not being able to add my very own PSD. And again, if you have issues creating your very own PSD, or if you don't know how to create your own PSD, you can create it pretty easily out of designers like Canva or FreePick or Unsplash. These people can convert your images into PSD, or you can actually download PSD images from there and add your design onto that through Photoshop or somewhere. So yeah, that's the general idea of how you're gonna add your own mockups to Mydesigns through PSD in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So if you enjoyed watching this video all the way till the end, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making more for you. Till then, that's pretty much all there is from me, and I will see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.